2018, question 5. Here we go. A sequence has terms u1, u2, u3 defined by the first term is 20, and then to get any of the subsequent terms is 0.8 times the previous term. Now, straight away you can tell from here it's going to be a geometric progression where r is going to be 0.8. So every term is getting smaller and smaller as we go along. So here we go. Let's just start with the first term. So u1, 5. Question part I. If we say u1 is 20, we can simply just say u2 is 20 multiplied by 0.8, and that's just a simple process on your calculator, which will give you 16. And then u3 would be this term, 16 multiplied by 0.8. Again, just use your calculators, and that will give you 12.8. So that's the second term and the third term. Okay, part 2. Use logs to find the smallest value of n such that sum of n is greater than 99.3. Okay, so we need to find n in this case. First of all, let's just, from our formula booklet, the sum of n is going to be, the formula is a1 minus r to the power n all over 1 minus r. So if I put that down and then start subbing in the values I do know, as I said before, well, as I said, the first term is 20, and the ratio which is going down in is 0.8, so that's going to be r. So I sub those values in. I know that the sum in the question has told me it's going to, well, we'll do that in a second. Let's just plug what's that going to be in. So that's going to be 20, 1 minus 0.8 to the power capital N, all over 1 minus 0.8. And we're being told that this summation is going to be greater than 99.3. So I might as well put that in now. We want that. We want to find the n where this expression is good, the sum is going to be more than 99.3. So now I'm just going to simply do this stuff in my, on the calculator. You could quickly do, but I'll put on all the processes so you can see it. So you're going to get 20, 1 minus 0.8 to the power n, all over 1, take away 0.8 is 0.2, which is greater than 99.3. 20 shared by 0.2, again do that in your calculator, and that will give you 100 multiplied by 1 minus 0.8 to the power n is greater than 99.3. I'm going to take the 100 to the other side by simple division. That's been times here. I'm taking that to the other side by dividing it by 100. So that's just going to give me 1 minus 0.8 to the power n. It's greater than, divide that by 100, it's just going to give me 0.993. Okay. Now, I'm just going to take this lot over to the other side by adding it. I'll get 1 is greater than 0.993 plus 0.8 to the power n, and then I'm going to take this to the other side by taking away 0.993, and if I did 1 take away 0.993, I'm going to get 0.007, which is going to be greater than 0.8 to the power n. Now I want to bring this power down, so that's where logs come in. So if I log both sides here, that helps to bring the power down. So I'll get n log 0.8. On this side I've got log 0.07. Sorry, got an extra 0 there, 0.007. Okay, now I want to take this to the other side. Now before I take this to the other side, I also should know that any log less than 1, log of 1 is 0, but any log less than 1 is negative. Now if that is negative, okay, so log of 0.8 is less than 0, when I'm dividing by anything that's negative, my inequality sign will change. So I'll change that sign. Now this is greater than, I'll change it to a less than sign as I do log 0.007 divided by log 0.8, leaving my n there. Okay, and now it's n is greater than, so n looking from there is bigger than this on this side, and if you did that on your calculator, you get 22.236 blah blah blah. Now you want the smallest possible value, which is greater than that, so n must equal 23 is the smallest. It's got to be more than 22, so the next positive integer value greater than that is going to be 23. Okay, so just take your time showing every step and see how that goes from there, using all your facts, using your formula, doing simple calculations, showing how you're doing it so you don't get confused, using your log rules. Don't forget the inequality sign. And then once you got that, so this is, even if that was 22, n is greater than 22, it has to be 23.